Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ameera Syahfiqah binti Rusmizi from AS 2011A. I am from Faculty of Applied Science in Biology at University Technology Mara, UiTM Jengke. Today, in my video presentation, I want to discuss about the similarities and differences of Spanish flu and coronavirus disease, which also known as COVID-19. What is Spanish flu and COVID-19? Spanish flu is the global pandemic caused by a lethal influenza virus in 1918 until 1920. It infects about a third of the world population and caused an estimated about 50 until 100 million victims. By Jensen and Mullers in 2002, Taubenger and Morens in 2006. Meanwhile, coronavirus disease, which is COVID-19, is caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, which is SARS-CoV-2, has been a global public health emergency since December 2019. And so far, more than 980,000 people until September 24, 2020 around the world have died. SARS-CoV-2 mimics the influenza virus regarding methods and modes of transmission, clinical features, related immune responses, and seasonal coincidence. Furthermore, the image of Spanish flu virus and COVID-19 virus. The Spanish flu virus has contained crystal structure of 18Na reveals the standard tetrameric association of identical monomers which contain a propeller-like arrangement of 6 4-stranded antiparallel beta sheets. For coronavirus the coronavirus genome is comprised of almost 30,000 nucleotides. It encodes 4 structural proteins which are nucleocapsid protein, membrane protein, spike protein, and envelope protein, and several non-structural protein. Next is the similarities between Spanish flu and COVID-19, which is from the based on symptoms. The firstly is fever and feeling feverish, or known as chills. Second, cough. Third, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing. Fourth, fatigue, which is tiredness. Fifth, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, muscle pain or body ache, headache, vomiting, and diarrhea. However, the differences between Spanish flu and COVID-19. The first is non-productive dry cough in syndrome coronavirus 2 infection. Second, change in loss of taste or smell in syndrome coronavirus 2 infection. Third is skin rash or discoloration of toes or fingers in syndrome coronavirus 2 infection. Next is the Spanish flu and COVID-19 caused by. The Spanish flu is unknown exactly where the particular strain of influenza that caused the pandemic came from. However, the 1918 flu was first observed in Europe, America, and areas of Asia before spreading to almost every other part of the planet within a matter of months. Coronavirus is The outbreak began in Wuhan, a city in the Hubei province of China. The first reports of COVID-19 cases started in December 2019. Coronavirus are common in certain species of animals such as cattle and camels. Although the transmission of coronavirus from animal to human is rare, this new strain likely came from bats. Through one study suggests pangolins that may be the origin. However, it remains unclear exactly how the virus first spread to humans. Okay, let's talk about how Spanish flu and coronavirus spread. It is spread when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. Respiratory tiny droplets are generated and transmitted in the air, and then can be inhaled by anyone nearby. This illness spread is through close contact with someone who has the infection. Close contact is within around 6 feet. Lastly, for the treatment between Spanish flu and COVID-19, there were no vaccines for the Spanish flu. Meanwhile, there are two vaccines for coronavirus disease, which is COVID-19, which are AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine and Novavax COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, for the references, this is the references that I already used to search the information about the similarities and differences in Spanish flu and COVID-19. I would like to end my video presentation with thank you for watching.